everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Please click on the bell icon. You will get all the notification of my new videos, and let's get started. Today I'm going to share with you very tasty and delicious lamb curry recipe, and I'm going to make with potatoes, which going to be aloo lamb curry. Lamb loin chops, it's a 2 pound. The other ingredient, olive oil for tadka, jumbo, large onion, 1 tablespoon garlic and 1 tablespoon ginger, 2 green chilies, 2 tomatoes, potatoes. As for curry, 2 cup water, and you always can adjust gravy according to your need. Spices from masala dabba, along with Kashmiri mirch. How do I make garam masala? This is very important ingredient for lamb curry. Please check it out, a video posted on my channel. There are too many ingredients to list under the description, so please check it out, this garam masala. This is not store-bought, it's homemade easy steps garam masala. The video is posted on my channel. The salt I'm using is the pink salt. This is a Himalayan pink salt, and I will share with you the rest of the ingredients, so please check it out, the description below for the ingredient list. Potatoes, peel, cut into small chunks, and I put it in cold water. They won't get discolored. Onion finely chopped, ginger, garlic and green chili finely chopped, and tomatoes. And let's start making our delicious aloo lamb curry. Get a big pot, and we're going to start gas and keep the gas on high. We're going to bring 2 tablespoons olive oil. As the oil start to heat up, bring cumin, jeera, 1 teaspoon. Give like a 10 to 20 seconds. Add garlic, ginger and green chili. Mix it well. We're going to cook garlic until the garlicky flavor is gone. This is good enough. Add onion. Mix it well. Keep it moving and cook tadka until it's nicely brown. Onions are nicely translucent. Add tomatoes. Mix it well. Once it's nicely combined, cook it for half minute. Add spices. Green chilies are super hot, so I'm going to skip Kashmiri mirch. 1 teaspoon salt, half teaspoon black pepper, garam masala 1 teaspoon, coriander powder 1 teaspoon, turmeric powder 1 teaspoon. Mix it well. Cooking spices for half minute. Add meat. Mix it well with the tadka. I'll turn the pan on. So keep it moving so it won't get burned, and cook it for 10 minutes. Cooking for exactly 10 minutes, I'll turn the pan off. Bring the gas to medium. We cook lamb on high gas for 10 minutes. This is how it looks. Now I'll add potatoes. Mix it well. Once the potatoes are nicely combined, add 2 cups water. Mix it well. Cover with the lid and we'll cook it for 20 minutes. After 10 minutes, stir it once so it won't get burned. After 20 minutes, we're going to check it out if the meat needs more cooking. On medium gas, cooking for exactly 20 minutes. After 10 minutes, I opened it and stirred it once, and now I'm going to open it again. Mix it. Meat always takes longer to cook. Meat start to pull back from the bone. That's a good indication that meat is getting cooked. If you see that the bone is getting exposed right here. Initially meat was all the way up, so on every pieces you will see the meat start to pull back. And after mixing it well, spread it evenly again. Bring the gas to medium low. which is number 2, and cover with the lid and cook it for additional 20 minutes. Another 20 minutes cooking on low gas. I'm going to open it, mix it. Delicious lamb curry is all ready. So let's check the meat if it's need more cooking. Any piece, you grab it, we're going to cut it. Look at that, how smoothly, nicely it's cut through. If we get the piece itself and if we cut through, it's nicely cut through. It's nicely tender. So the meat is fully cooked. This is the curry what I'm looking for. If you need more curry, you always can add more water. I'll add 2 teaspoons kasuri methi. Mix it well again. So once it's nicely combined, now bring the gas to medium. Cover with the lid, cook it only for 2 minutes. It will absorb all the kasuri methi flavor, then we're going to dish out. Another 2 minutes on a medium gas. I'm going to turn off the gas, open the lid. I have my serving bowl ready, and I'm going to dish out. Delicious aloo lamb curry is all ready. Look at this. Let me share with you. Potato lamb curry, typical Punjabi aloo lamb curry is all ready, and please try it. You can eat it with the roti, chapati, naan, fulka, prantha, tortilla, best of all with the rice pulao. Please try and share the comments below how it turned out for you. And like always, like, share and subscribe. Easy Steps Cooking. I'm going to see you soon with another recipe. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.